know I am all about my black men making it do what it do and doing something different. Y'all remember Dare from elementary school, Dare to be different? This brother right here, daring to be different. He legit is not just a recording artist, right? He creates word search puzzles for adults and children. And let me just say this, I want to salute you because I just lost my mother a couple of months ago and she had dementia, right?
I'm sorry, Dad.
But the word search puzzles, she started doing them like 10 years earlier because she was like, Lil, I done retired and damn it if I'm gonna be crazy. And you know, those word searches help people, you know, strengthen their minds. So I am so excited, so thank you for that. But introduce yourself to everybody, Danny G, and then tell us a little bit about what inspired you to start this.
Hi everybody, I'm Danny G, and I want to say thank you all. First of all, thank you for this. Thank you for
You
this.
are so welcome, baby.
And I want to say I'm Danny G. I'm actually prior military. I served 8 years in the military.
Salute.
So after I got out the military, like yourself, my grandmother used to do word searches. So my grandmother raised me. So that kind of inspired me. After my grandmother passed away, I wanted to do something to kind of keep her name alive. So when I got out the military, I was kind of trying to find a path of what I wanted to do.
Okay.
So I jumped into the artistry land, but on the side, I started writing word searches and word puzzles because I knew that was just something that would be
And
different.
people are always looking for them. Do you know when Mom would fill up her books, I had to literally go Googling to find more.
Yes.
So let me ask you this. Don't give us your whole process, but what does it look like? Like, how do you start to formulate?
So it started with an idea one day. I was just chilling, thinking about my granny, thinking about the word search, and I was like, you know what? Let me go into deep diving. We all know it's just a bundle of words, and you know.
That's it.
No, that's just what it is. It's a creation in your mind.
Okay.
I have 2 word searches out right now. One, Under the Sea, for the kids, and I have one called Positive Vibes Only, and that's for the adults. And it's just concepts. You know, what do you enjoy doing? What do you want to do? You know what I'm saying? Well, do you like cooking? You know what I'm saying? You can do a word search with cooking. Do you like airplanes? You can do a word search via airplanes.
Wait a minute. So hold up. So y'all, I'm about to give him a whole idea, and y'all better not take it because I'm claiming it right here. So if you take the idea, we are going to sue you.
Gotcha.
You need to turn it into a game like Twister. Make a big word search, turn it into a game like Twister, so people can play it to do it at parties. That would be so dope.
I do love that.
Yo!
Like a portable word search.
Yes!
I like that.
Now don't get drunk and do it, because some of y'all can't even spell when you sober. That's all I'm saying.
Can't even.
Alright, so Danny, so what's next? Like, what's really next?
I want to say that I have more word searches coming 2020.
Okay.
My second word search dropped on January 1st, which is the Positive Vibes one.
Okay.
They can get that on Amazon. All they
Okay.
gotta do is type in Danny G. I'll pop right up.
Danny G _.
Yeah, that's
HC,
it. You know what I'm
won't it?
saying? No, just pop that up on Amazon.
Oh, on Amazon.
If you wanna go
Okay.
get the
Danny
word
G
search.
on Amazon. Now it's Danny G with 2 E's
Yeah,
on
just
Amazon.
pop right up. For you.
Okay.
So I'm just want to create more word searches. I actually just opened up my Amazon store last week.
Oh, well, we're gonna
I
have to
started
get
doing some, I'm just doing a little bit of everything today.
I'm so excited, Danny. This is dope. And I love the fact that, guys, let me tell you something. So, Danny is a creative. He does music, but he put some assertion on, I don't just do that. We're going to talk about these word searches today. And that's what you have to do. Assert yourself. Let the people know that you are different. D-A-R-E. Dare to be different. Danny G, let everybody know where they can find you on social media.
Everywhere, social media, Danny G, but especially on Instagram, DANNYGEE
2 E's.
_ That's it. That's how you find me.
Yes, but it's your girl Lily Mae, and we are going to bring more to you about these word searches. Peace and love, everybody.
Peace.